Hi, Donna.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm excellent. Yourself?
So, are you the president?
I am president this year of the Rotary Club of Nantucket.
And how's it going?
It's going very well. We're doing a lot of new things. We're trying out different approaches to fundraising. We're doing breakfast clubs as well as luncheon clubs to get more people involved who can't attend at certain hours. So just trying to mix it up and get more flexible for people who want to be part of this but can't do the rigid.
So how are you doing that?
Well, as I said, the first thing we did is we instituted a breakfast meeting, and that happens every second and fourth Tuesday in addition to the lunch.
Where?
It's at the Island Kitchen at 7 a.m.
Can anybody show up?
Anybody can show up.
So
all
if
of our
you have even
meetings.
an interest in being a Rotarian,
Exactly.
and you don't do it, you can still.
Yeah, the rule is that if you're interested, you just come. And if you come for 3 meetings, not consecutive, just 3 meetings, and then you express an interest in joining, your name is put in for a nomination, and unless there's an objection, you're accepted. And we're looking for lots of people, all makes and models of people.
Sure. Let's get some young people involved.
We'd love to get some young people,
Yeah.
but even people, we just want people who are community oriented, who want to make a difference, but one-on-one is hard, but when you do it as part of an organization that's committed to that service above self as our motto, then things happen. We do a lot of good for this community, and we don't necessarily take a lot of credit for it, but we're out there constantly. We're involved with so many other of the food pantries, the fuel assistance, rental assistance, the distinguished young woman. We're one of the biggest contributors to that. Scholarships. I mean, it just goes on, all of the things. Plus, we do a lot of international good. We do sanitary water and sanitation in India. And we had a project last year that we funded. We did rescue work down in Jamaica when the earthquake was there.
I saw you in the Philippines recently.
Yes.
Down there.
Yes, we
I
are.
saw
We are
the big
everywhere.
Rotarian building.
Yes,
Very
that's
impressed.
exactly what
a great
we're all about.
organization.
And this year, instead of doing the typical dinner auction venue type of things, what we thought would be interesting, because it's sustainable, is to do a raffle, which is our 1,000 Club raffle.
Okay.
And the way this works basically is we are selling up to a maximum of 1,000 tickets. Each ticket is $100, and I know people say, wow, $100. But what this ticket gives you is 12 monthly drawings, 4 prizes per month of 1,000, 500, 250, and 100. Per month. And if you win, your ticket still stays in for future drawings. So the net effect is it's $9 a month for a drawing to win 1,000, 500, 250, or $100. So your chances, if we sell all 1,000, are like 1 in 21.
You need to sell 1,000.
No, we need to sell 500 to make it happen.
Okay, right.
1,000 would be great, but 500 is what we need. So your chances have just gone up exponentially, because.
Count me in.
All right, great. See,
that's just a no-brainer.
It is a no-brainer. $9 a month, and you get multiple chances to win. It's not like you're in and you're out. You know? So it's a great raffle. It's worked successfully in other areas of the country, and we just thought it'd be great for our people here.
How do you get the ticket?
You can get the tickets through either buying them here at the Fairgrounds Restaurant, or the Chamber of Commerce, or you can go on our website, nantucketrotary.org, and there's a link there. They'll put you into the donation, but all donations go to the purchase of a ticket.
Okay. All right.
And then we submit your information, and we send you back your stuff.
All right.
And so it's and the first drawing is set to happen at the end of January, and each end of month until next December.
Well, get in now.
Yeah.
Because the sooner you get in, the more chances you have.
Exactly. All right.
So,
exactly.
Rotary's doing good things. We're actually here to have lunch.
Yes, we do.
And you're going to conduct a meeting right now.
Yes, we meet every Wednesday at the Fairgrounds Restaurant at 12 p.m. and we do our pledge. We have a prayer. We have a patriotic song. It's a feel-good situation. It gets you a sense of community and camaraderie. You don't really get all by yourself or other organizations. So, and we got a lot of people here who are retired military and everything else. A lot of professionals. So it's a good mix of people to get to know.
And the food looks really good today.
And they do a darn good job.
I know it. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you, Gino.